Look in there. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a really simple, tasty cheese and ham toastie. We're going to do a Gouda and cheddar ham toastie in the air fryer. Simple to do. Let's show you how to do it. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to actually butter a little bit of bread, but you know there's a bit of a secret to this. We actually want to butter one side of the bread on here. So we're going to butter that one side and then we're going to turn it over. The middle piece of bread, we're going to butter both sides. So we want to butter both sides of this, nice and gently. This butter's quite firm actually. Butter up your bread and then one side. Okay, and then want some mayo, and what we want to do is we want to mayo up the other side. So a little bit of mayo right to the edges on that slice which had just the butter on. The middle one is buttered on both sides, and this one again, mayo on there, right up to the outside. Okay, what we're going to do, the mayo is going on the bottom. So take a piece of tin foil, turn over your bread so you've got the mayo to the bottom. And then we're going to build our sandwich, okay? So the butter's on the top now, the mayo's underneath. Gouda. This is grated Gouda cheese. Ham. And then a little bit of cheddar. Then we're going to take our buttered bread, the one that's buttered on both sides. That's going on there. And then we start again. Okay, so we want our grated Gouda on there. Now Gouda is a great cheese. It melts away and it's got a fantastic flavour. Gouda, ham, cheddar, butter side down, mayo to the top. That is a monster sandwich. Now hopefully it'll fit in the air fryer. Hopefully. Air fryer basket out. Pick up your sandwich and dump it in your air fryer. Now this is quite close to the top, so we're going to have to watch it as we're grilling. Normally I would grill this for about 180 for 4 minutes, then flip it over for 4. So we're going to start with the 180, see what's happening. But if it's grilling too much, we're going to have to come down on temperature. Okay, air fryer on 180, 4 minutes, boom. Let's see what happens. Boom. Oh, that is already already cooking. What we need to be doing is getting this out of here and turning it over. So take that out, put it on there, and then we want to be taking this red hot sandwich and flipping it. I think what we're going to do, we're going to use one of this, and hopefully we don't go through the bottom of the tin foil. There we go. And then what we're going to do is, if we can get it off this tin foil, is flip this sandwich over. So back in there. Now we're going to go for about the same time. Well, we might have to watch this one. Air fryer on, 180, 4 minutes. Let's see what happens. Now hopefully it's going to melt the cheese, but this is a big stack. It might brown off the top too much without melting the cheese. Hopefully it's going to melt the cheese. I've gone for a slightly thicker sliced bread. Okay. Oh. Let's have that out of there. Just look at that. Crisp, crisp. Oh. Look in there. The cheddar has only just started to go soft actually. It's not really melted, but that Gouda is. That looks tremendous. Just look at that. I think what we need to do is, that's quite warm actually. Well, we'll give this a taste test, but we're actually going to cut into it. Oh. Melted sticky cheese. Just look. That is amazing. Oh. That is fantastic. Fantastic flavours. Got that little bit of sweetness on the outside with that mayo. Strong cheese through there with that ham. But I'll be perfectly honest. I'll be really honest, because I've used such thick sliced bread, the cheddar is soft but not melted. But the Gouda is melted all the way through. That is a fantastic, a lovely, lovely grilled sandwich. I really like that. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.